Today we are discussing the second ERC report. Here we are discussing the second chapter, Core Principles of Local Governance. Subsidiarity. The central idea of subsidiarity is that citizens as sovereigns and stakeholders in the democracy are the final decision maker. Citizens are also the consumers of all services provided by the state. The citizen's sovereign consumer must exercise as much authority as practicable and delegate upward the rest of the functions which require economics of scale, technological and managerial capacity or collective amenities. The Oxford Dictionary defines subsidiarity as a principle that a central authority should have a subsidiary function performing only those tasks which cannot be performed at a more local level. The principle of subsidiarity stipulates functions all be carried out closest to citizens at the smallest unit of governance possible and delegated upwards only when the local unit cannot perform the task. The citizen delegates those functions he cannot perform to the community. Functions that the community cannot discharge are passed on the local governments in the smallest tiers and so on. From smaller tiers to larger tiers, from local government to the state government, and from the state to the union. In this scheme, the citizens and the community are the center of governance. In place of traditional hierarchies, there will be ever enlarging concentric circles of government, and delegation is outward depending on necessity. Application of the subsidiary or subsidiarity principles has three great advantages in practical terms. First, local decision making improves efficiency, promotes self reliance at the local level, encourages competition, and nurtures innovation. The demonstration effects of successful best practices will ensure rapid spread of good innovations, and there will also be greater ownership of programs and practices by the local communities. B. Second, democracy is based on the three fundamental assumptions: all citizens are equal, irrespective of stations and birth. The citizen is the ultimate sovereign, and the citizen has the capacity to decide what is in his best interest. Only when these principles are put in practical or practice can a democratic system derive its full legitimacy. Subsidiarity is the concrete expression of those foundations of the democratic society. Repeat this. B. Second, democracy is based on three fundamental assumptions. All citizens are equal irrespective of stations and birth. The citizen is the ultimate sovereign, and the citizen has the capacity to decide what is in his best interest. Only when these principles are put in the practice can our democratic system derive its full legitimacy. Subsidiarity is the concrete expression of the foundation of a democratic society. C. Third, once decision making and its consequences are integrally linked at the local level, people can better appreciate that hard choices need to be made. Such awareness promotes greater responsibility, enlightened citizenship, and maturing of democracy.